Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Pillai from LEAPTRAC. As you know, I'm in Boston, and today is Friday the 13th. Okay? The market is a very special day, in the sense that the market opened at a particular rate, and then for the next couple of hours, it almost behaved like the previous 4 days of the week. But I had already informed you that the weekly chart was actually very bullish. But it was all doji candles. That means undecided candles. And the market was slowly dropping. Today also, from 9:15 in the market, it started to go down. I will show you two charts. One is I'm already showing you the daily chart as I usually do. So the market went to a low of 24,181 and then closed at 24,768. That's about a 0.89% high. Actually speaking, that shows only a 220 points up move. But actually speaking, the market moved up almost 600 points. I'm in another chart. So what really happened is up to about 11:30, 12 o'clock, midday, the market came to a very low point. After that, I think the FIIs, I'll show you the FII data also, they saw real good value in the stocks and they picked up, and therefore the market went up really. By 3:30, it was already at a very high. Now I'll show you the next chart. In the next chart, as you can see, either 15 minutes in the 2-day chart. Now, this box is 2 days in the chart. As you can see, Thursday, 12th of December, the 15 minutes in the chart, it was behaving in a normal way. In the Ravile market open 24,501, and then Oro candle is 15 minutes. So 1.5 hours it went down to 24,180 and closed at 24,781. So there, took a high. Closing was 24,768, but it hit a high of 24,781. So exactly around 600 to 601 points on a market. So it was a very volatile day, but at the end of the day, it was bulls who were in control. Market came down and it reacted. It has gone up very well. So every day there are some stocks in the mid cap, small cap in the portfolio which are actually looking like it was coming. It was coming up. But yesterday it was behaving a bit low, but towards the end of the day, it really caught up, and we are back to a bullish phase today. So record high is 220 points over previous day's closing, but actually the bullishness was much higher. As you can see from the videos that I'm showing, you must have seen in the morning a Tesla car or Tesla new model video. That's in the early part of the video, as you would have seen. But anyway, now going on further to the FII weekly trading data. Weekly trading, if you see, it's been quite FIIs continue to purchase, and therefore we're really in a phase when this FIIs purchase is almost 11,706 crores in the first 2 weeks, and DIIs have purchased 4,672. So we are back into some sort of a bull phase, as I can see it. Bulls are in control, though bears try to take a little bit of control during the course of the week, but we are back, and therefore I think next coming week we can actually see the figure of 25,000 and above. So that's what it is as far as the stocks and portfolios are concerned. The stock that I have, my most favorite stock is Websol Energy Systems. It has already crossed 1,500. Though the markets and everything went down, it has actually it is something that you need to keep on the radar. In next quarter, the results were so it's really something that is turning out to be a sort of a multi-bagger. So keep it in your portfolio, and maybe I think when there is a dip, you can actually look at investing in that stock. So basically, this is my video for today. I will try and make a weekly video at maybe either tomorrow or day after. But today is really the height of volatility. market പോയിട്ട് almost everybody on Friday afternoon kind of gave up, saying that today is going to behave like all the other 4 days, after which there was a massive turnaround. So that's how markets are behaving. അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ it is important for all of you to understand the behavior of markets, and for that my suggestion is that you should learn about the markets, learn about candlestick patterns, learn about fundamental analysis, learn the technical analysis, and that is why I am requesting that either me or any other good tutor you have, you can go and study. But basic knowledge ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത് അത് ഇന്നത്തെ സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ ആവശ്യമാണ്. So if you look at my past videos, last week ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നത് that the weekly chart is actually showing strength, but the daily 4 days we saw markets were going down. And ഞാനും Friday morning I really thought that ഞാൻ predict ചെയ്യുന്നത് is not actually something that's happening. Markets are behaving exactly the opposite. But at the end of Friday I am happy that നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞ മാതിരി അത് behave ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. So anyway, that's there are times when I make mistakes as well. നമ്മൾ പറയുന്ന മാതിരി markets behave ചെയ്യില്ല, because there are a lot of factors which are not sort of calculated in this. നമ്മൾ based on our available level of information, when we are predicting something, it can also go wrong. But luckily this week and in some of the past weeks, it is coming out right. So the question is not whether you are right or wrong. The question is, are you in a position to understand the market? And after that, if you go wrong, it doesn't really matter. It's okay. So anyway, this is the story for today, Friday the 13th. And thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like the visuals and the new Tesla car kandile, whatever little I could. I tried to go very close to it. Pasha Patila was much faster than me, and I had to turn right, so I could not take a full picture, full video. But it's okay, you got a glimpse of it. I will show you some of these like this in my coming videos as well whenever I see them. So if you have liked this video, if you like the subject matter that has been spoken about, please press your like button, tell your friends and family, and also to subscribe so that we can increase our user base and information can be shared by everybody. Thank you very much. Bye bye.